Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can simulate a solar home power system. Basically, our power demand is increasing day by day. In this case, we have to support ourselves by taking the sources of renewable energy. Solar panel is a vast purpose use renewable energy source. In this case, I am going to simulate them that how much it take an optimum power from the solar panel and how we can evaluate them. So first of all, we have to go to the simulating part. Here I have come to the simulating part. Now we have to take some parameters. So first of all, we have to take a PV array. So I am taking here a PV array. Here are two terminals are shown here, that IR and T. IR means radiation part and T means the temperature. So we need two constant. So this is the first constant, and here is another constant for second one. I am setting the value of first constant, which is TR value about 1500, and the temperature is about 20 degrees Celsius. Now we need a filter capacitor. In this case, I am taking a filter capacitor from RLC branch, setting them value with C, and the value will be set for 300 and 3500 E inverse 6. Now rotate this. Now connect the part. Set the value of solar panel or PV array. Here is 2 and nothing cannot be changed. Okay, now I apply here and okay. Now basically this is the low voltage source, and in this case we have to step up this voltage. To see the voltage level here, we need a voltage measurement and a scope function. Okay, I am connecting the voltage management across to the capacitor, and the scope is here. Now if we run this function, then we can see that the voltage is approximately 75 volt, 70 and 80 medium point, like 75 volt. Okay, now we have to boost up this voltage. To boost up this voltage, we need a voltage booster circuit. So first of all, we need a inductor. Now connecting the inductor with this capacitor here. And we need a IGBT. Now connect IGBT with the inductor coil. We need a diode here. Okay, basically our program has been finished for the part of booster circuit. Now we need a balance capacitor so that the output will be balanced here. Just copy the capacitor part from inside and paste here. Okay, this part is our voltage booster circuit which can boost up the voltage from the accepted voltage over the PV panel. Now we again need this two panel terminal to see the voltage level here. Connecting the parameters are here, and this part will be show our boost up voltage. Now we have to change it AC voltage. That's because here we can receive the DC voltage which is boosted up over 140 volt. Okay, we can see before that our voltage will be like 75 voltage or like that, but after boost up it had been reached over 140 volt. Okay, now we need to change it over sinusoidal voltage. To create a sinusoidal voltage, we can use a build-up circuit from here, which is known as universal bridge. Here I am setting some parameters here. Now connect this two part from positive to positive and then negative to negative. Now we need a pulse generator, which is known as PWM. Okay, now run this function so that we can get the output across the resistor or load resistor. Okay, now we can see here that there are a pulse width modulation and which are being square wave generator, and after a particular period that the negative half cycle also be appear. So basically this has been completed. Now we need to convert it on sinusoidal voltage level. To create this sinusoidal voltage level, we just need a LC filter here. To apply LC filter, I am copying this resistor here two times. Set the resistor mode to L mode and the other resistor mode to the capacitor mode. Now connect all of them. Okay, our system has been ready. Now we can see that what is inside going here. See the value of scope. Now if we can see here for a particular part, then we can observe our final location that it is completely sine wave. That it is a sine wave. So our project has been successfully ready. Now we can complete our solar home project. So thanks for watching my video. Stay with me to learn about more like this project. If you complete your simulation properly, you can go to the hardware part also. Thank you all.